Today is July 2nd, 2013, a Tuesday. I am doing a solo trip up here. I'm in the Boundary Waters. I'm on Seagull Lake. I got in here about noon today and just have been kind of taking it easy. Right out here I put my rods together and I threw a silver rapala out there, and a big bass hit it right away and 2 or 3 others following right behind it. I just circle around the fire pit, my camp chair. I put the flag up so people know where that this is occupied, plus I can find it easy. Come on around. I'll show you back here is my bedroom. I really thought this site was a little bit on the scruffy side. A lot of times you think that originally anyway, and especially for just one tent. I found a little surprise here. I'm going to walk up this trail, or with the camera on, just a little bit, but normally there's a trail like this going up to the Thunderbox. I'm not going to leave it on the whole time, but you can see how the thing looks up through there. More of the trail walking up through here. If I can do this and walk, that's pretty good. Well, I'm up here now, and the Thunderbox is on back that way a ways. But to my surprise, when I got up here, I'm standing on a real nice tent pad. And right over here to my left is another nice pad over there. And the most amazing part about it is, look at the view up here. Just great. And this rock right here, perfect for setting in the evenings or mornings and eating or whatever. But this is a fantastic view. If I could, I would carry all my stuff up here and camp, but I guess I'll stay down on the first floor. I'm back down here by my canoe and stuff. Somebody left a big jaw here of a big old pike here they caught sometime or the other. Nice sized guy. I didn't catch it. Today's Wednesday, July 3rd. I'm out here just doing a little fishing, looking around. There's some big old rocks up in here. Panning across, you can see a campsite. Maybe over there. Just very, very nice back in here. After a few days up here by myself, I get to hearing things, seeing things, and imagining things. I don't know what this guy is. The sky has looked like this all week. You can see by the trees there's just maybe a little bit of breeze here today. I'm in here taking a badly needed break. I rearranged the tent a while ago too, and I left the curtains open. No mosquitoes, flies, none of it. Flies are buzzing around a little bit, but as you can see by my shoes, I'm sitting here laid back in the chair. After a while, I'm going back out fishing. As you can see, it's windy. It's been windy. Yesterday I started, and today I'm bound to the camp here. And I'm thinking that that I might be wise here early in the morning to paddle out rather than just sitting here. I've sat here long enough. See what happens. One thing I wanted to mention, the first evening I was here, a little animal came down. I think it was a fox, a real dark reddish brown, big round black eyes. It came right up to me and checked out my water bottle and just kind of looked around, and then it took off away. And it's maybe 14 or 16 inches tall. I'm not really sure. I'll have to Google it when I get home. Also this morning, some Canada gray or gray jay, they call them birds, and they're a real friendly bird, and two of them came down right around where I was sitting. There's a moose in the road. There was another one. He's walking across. The other one is already to the left. Goodbye, little moose. There's some of the windmill farms